The world of aviation has just been forever changed. The United States has officially unveiled its first hypersonic aircraft, a marvel of engineering that could completely rewrite the rules of air travel and military defense. This isn't just an aircraft, it's a revolution in aviation. Welcome to a new era where speed, power, and technology combine to push the boundaries of what's possible. Aviation has always been at the forefront of technological innovation, from the Wright brothers' first flight in 1903 to the high-speed jets and stealth aircraft of today. But as fast as those jets can fly, none of them can break the speed of sound like this new hypersonic beast can. This is the United States' first operational hypersonic aircraft capable of traveling at speeds over Mach 5, that's more than 800 miles per hour, 5 times the speed of sound. To put that into perspective, this aircraft could fly from New York to London in just about an hour, but what exactly does hypersonic mean? In simple terms, hypersonic refers to speeds that are 5 times faster than the speed of sound, also known as Mach 5. For an aircraft to be considered hypersonic, it needs to reach this mind-blowing speed. For reference, the fastest commercial airliners today, like the Boeing 747, travel at around 570 miles per hour. This new hypersonic aircraft, it blasts past that by more than 7 times. Flying at such extreme speeds brings enormous challenges, though particularly managing the intense heat caused by air friction. Hypersonic aircraft encounter temperatures so high they can melt traditional materials. So, how did engineers overcome these hurdles? Enter advanced composite materials and revolutionary design innovations. The technology behind hypersonic flight is nothing short of groundbreaking. This new aircraft combines state-of-the-art propulsion systems with advanced aerodynamics, making it faster, more efficient, and more maneuverable than anything that's come before. At the heart of this revolution is the scramjet engine, a type of engine that compresses incoming air at hypersonic speeds without the need for a traditional compressor. This allows the aircraft to maintain incredible speeds while being more fuel efficient. The engine technology in this new hypersonic aircraft represents a quantum leap forward in propulsion. But it's not just the engine. The aircraft's body is made from next-generation heat-resistant materials. These materials are designed to withstand the thousands of degrees of heat generated as the aircraft flies through the atmosphere at Mach 5 or beyond. This ensures that the aircraft can survive and thrive at these extreme conditions. While hypersonic technology could revolutionize commercial air travel, its most immediate impact is on military operations. Imagine an aircraft that can strike anywhere in the world within just a couple of hours, no need for lengthy refueling stops or vulnerable long-range bombers. This level of speed changes everything in terms of military strategy. An aircraft like this can be deployed to any part of the world almost instantly, giving the U.S. military an unparalleled advantage in responding to threats. Whether it's delivering precision strikes or gathering intelligence, hypersonic aircraft will redefine global military operations. In fact, experts believe that this new technology could lead to a new arms race, with nations competing to develop their hypersonic systems. Whoever masters this technology first will hold a significant strategic advantage. As revolutionary as hypersonic flight is, it's not without its challenges. Developing an aircraft that can safely fly at these speeds presents numerous technical obstacles. Even with the most advanced materials and propulsion systems, maintaining control at Mach 5 speeds is incredibly difficult. One of the biggest challenges is controlling the aircraft's stability at such high speeds. When traveling that fast, even the smallest disruption in airflow can cause catastrophic failure. Engineers have to factor in every possible variable from atmospheric conditions to the aircraft's shape and weight distribution. And then there's the risk of malfunction. At Mach 5, there's very little margin for error. If something goes wrong, the pilot has mere seconds to react. That's why extensive testing and safety systems are in place to ensure that this aircraft operates flawlessly. While military applications are at the forefront of hypersonic research today, the potential for civilian use is just as exciting. Imagine a world where long international flights could be reduced to just a couple of hours. No more jet lag, no more lengthy layovers, just rapid, efficient travel from one side of the world to the other. It's not just a dream anymore. Experts believe that within the next decade, hypersonic travel could become a reality for civilian passengers, too. Business trips, vacations, and global conferences could all happen in a fraction of the time. This new era of aviation will require airports to adapt as well. We're talking about specialized terminals for hypersonic aircraft, new safety regulations, and perhaps even changes in the way we think about air travel altogether. But the United States isn't the only player in the hypersonic game. Russia and China have also been aggressively developing their hypersonic technologies. This has led to a new kind of arms race, where nations are vying to be the first to dominate the skies with hypersonic capabilities. Russia recently unveiled its avant-garde hypersonic glide vehicle, and China is making strides with its DFZF hypersonic missile. The stakes are high, and whoever comes out on top will have a major strategic advantage. This competition is not just about speed, it's about redefining global power. The country that masters hypersonic technology could potentially control the skies in ways never seen before, shifting the balance of power in military and even economic terms. As we look toward the future, hypersonic aircraft are set to revolutionize more than just the military and aviation sectors. They represent a bold leap forward in human innovation, breaking barriers we once thought impossible. From the moment humanity took to the skies, we've been driven to go faster, farther, and higher. Now, with the unveiling of the United States' first hypersonic aircraft, we are on the brink of achieving that ultimate dream, flying at speeds once thought unattainable. This isn't just about breaking speed records, it's about shaping the future of travel, commerce, defense, and even the way we live. Imagine a world where distances are no longer barriers, where a flight across the ocean takes less time than your morning commute, where military responses are nearly instantaneous, and where the concept of being far away is a thing of the past. This is the promise of hypersonic technology. Let's take a deeper dive into the engineering that makes this hypersonic aircraft a true marvel. First, let's talk about the materials used in its construction. Traditional aircraft materials wouldn't be able to withstand the heat generated by flying at hypersonic speeds. That's why engineers turn to advanced composites, carbon-based materials designed to endure thousands of degrees of heat without losing structural integrity. These materials act like an ultra-lightweight heat shield, capable of absorbing the intense energy generated as the aircraft moves at Mach 5. But that's not the only incredible feature of this design. The shape of the aircraft is designed to minimize drag and maximize efficiency at high speeds. This sharp, almost arrow-like profile allows the aircraft to slice through the atmosphere with minimal resistance, reducing the need for fuel and allowing for sustained hypersonic travel over long distances. But the real magic happens under the hood with the engine. The scramjet, short for Supersonic Combustion Ramjet, is a groundbreaking engine design that's essential to hypersonic flight. Unlike traditional jet engines, which rely on compressors and turbines to force air into the engine, the scramjet uses the aircraft's speed to compress incoming air. This creates a much simpler and more efficient propulsion system, perfect for reaching and sustaining speeds above Mach 5. As the aircraft accelerates, air enters the engine at supersonic speeds, where it's compressed and mixed with fuel, creating a controlled explosion that propels the aircraft forward at hypersonic velocities. It's this unique method of propulsion that sets hypersonic aircraft apart from anything we've seen before. While much of the attention around hypersonic aircraft has focused on military applications, and for good reason, the potential civilian uses are just as exciting. Let's talk about how this technology could change commercial aviation. In the not-too-distant future, hypersonic airliners could shrink the world in ways we've only dreamed of. Imagine taking off from Los Angeles and landing in Tokyo in under 2 hours. This technology could revolutionize the travel industry, opening up new opportunities for business, tourism, and global commerce. Gone would be the days of 14-hour flights and jet lag. Hypersonic travel could make the world smaller, connecting distant economies, cultures, and people like never before. Of course, the infrastructure to support this kind of travel would need to evolve as well. Hypersonic-ready airports, faster customs processes, and enhanced safety measures would all become part of the equation. But the benefits, they could be revolutionary. Let's not forget the profound impact hypersonic technology will have on military operations. In the world of defense, speed and precision are everything. A hypersonic aircraft capable of delivering strikes or intelligence anywhere in the world in under 2 hours redefines what it means to have air superiority. In the past, long-range bombers or fighter jets had to contend with refueling stops, extended travel times, and the risk of interception. Hypersonic aircraft changed the game entirely. They can strike without warning, from thousands of miles away, and evade almost any form of detection or interception. Experts agree that hypersonic technology will force a re-evaluation of global military strategy. It's not just about speed, it's about the ability to outmaneuver and outsmart any adversary. This new level of capability will raise the stakes for nations all over the world, and the race is on. The United States may have unveiled its first hypersonic aircraft, but it's not alone in the race for hypersonic supremacy. Russia, China, and other world powers are working tirelessly on their hypersonic programs. Russia's Avangard hypersonic glide vehicle has already entered service, and China's DF-ZF missile is being touted as a serious competitor. These countries understand the strategic importance of hypersonic technology, and the race to dominate the skies is heating up. Whoever leads in hypersonic technology will hold a significant edge not just in military power, but in global influence. The next decade could see the hypersonic arms race define the future of international relations. It's not just about aircraft. Hypersonic missiles are another key component in this rapidly evolving field. These missiles can travel at hypersonic speeds, making them nearly impossible to intercept with current defense systems. Traditional missile defense systems are designed to counter slower-moving, predictable threats, but a hypersonic missile capable of changing trajectory mid-flight and traveling at speeds faster than sound presents a nearly unstoppable threat. It's this kind of capability that makes hypersonic weapons so dangerous and so sought after. Of course, with the development of hypersonic weapons comes the need for new defense systems. The race to develop anti-hypersonic technologies is already underway, with defense contractors working around the clock to find ways to protect against these unstoppable threats. Hypersonic flight doesn't just represent the future of aviation, it could be the key to unlocking the next frontier, space. With speeds capable of reaching low Earth orbit in mere minutes, hypersonic technology could revolutionize space travel as we know it. Imagine a future where hypersonic aircraft act as shuttles between the Earth and orbital stations, or even as the first step in manned missions to other planets. The line between air travel and space exploration is becoming blurrier by the day, and hypersonic technology may be the bridge that connects the two worlds. The implications of hypersonic flight extend far beyond Earth's atmosphere. With speeds like these, humanity's dream of exploring the cosmos could be closer than ever before. As we stand on the cusp of a new era in aviation, one thing is certain: the future belongs to the fast. Hypersonic aircraft aren't just a leap forward, they're the dawn of a new age in human capability. The sky is no longer the limits are now only in our imagination. The future is fast, and it's arriving sooner than we ever thought possible. Stay tuned for more on this incredible journey into the future of flight.